Hello friends, welcome to Arabic Tutor. Now this is Drishti Vaidya. We are discussing the new topic is the Vegas gas tragedy or the Visakhapatnam tragedy. Is that the toxic disaster at Andhra Pradesh gas leak tragedy. Now we are discussing the Vegas tragedy. The gas leak tragedy is a reminder that safety is paramount when existing in the lockdown. But this Vegas is one of the village of the Andhra Pradesh at Visakhapatnam. So, state government or Andhra Pradesh government who give the more appropriate the working or help as to the people who injured them. Now, the first point is the disastrous leak of a toxic chemical that has killed several people and left 106 near Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Because come as a shock to a nation struggling to cope with a prolonged lockdown, and resident of habitation around Gopalpatnam, close to the site where the LG Polymers plant is located, passed out as the hazardous styrene vapors swept through the area at night. Several deaths took place as people tried to flee, and the chemicals rendered them unconscious. There are horrific stories of people falling from buildings or into the wells and ditches as they lost consciousness. So, they have become the first victims of the exit from the lockdown when industrial units were allowed to resume their operations. Then, styrene, the chemical involved in the disaster-struck plant that produces polystyrene product. That is, it included in the schedule of the manufacture, storing and import of hazardous chemical rules in 1989. The rules laid down strict norms on how it should be handled and stored, although it will take an engineer to establish what caused the incident. The company and the state government of Andhra Pradesh knew that the chemical was hazardous characteristics by poor stability under a variety of conditions that could even lead to explosive situation. So it is also reasonable to assume that the safety mechanism built into the storage structure of something so hazardous was either faulty or allowed to be overburdened. Was the reopening work of the companies or the factories left as misskilled people, as some city officials have said. This aspect must be proved in the inquiry to fix accountability. But actually, the Andhra Pradesh government must focus immediately on the medical needs of those who have been grievously affected by the gas leak, which has inevitably lead to comparison with the 1984 at Bhopal gas tragedy disaster through the leaking of the MIC gas or methyl isocyanide gas is a harmful chemical like the styrene could have chronic effect beyond the immediate symptoms. Internationally, safety literature cites it as a substance that may cause cancer. There is some that no safe limit for exposure, but solitarium payments and compensation for the victims and the families are very important. But so is access to the highest quality of health care of the victim. What happened to the Gopalpatnam is also a warning for industries across India, although some may see the incident as a consequence of the lockdown. But the state have the authority under the central government orders to exempt process industries. It needs no special emphasis that safety of industrial chemicals requires continuous watch, with no scope for waiver. As India aims to the wider manufacturing base or the safety, transparent oversight, it is not hurdle to industrial growth. It advances sustainable development by eliminating travel mistakes. But next point, we discuss the Vizag gas leak. How the Vizag gas leaking. So we discuss about it. At least 11 people are died and close at 1000 were affected after a chemical from the factory leaked and hung as smoke over nearly villages in Visakhapatnam district in the early hours of the Thursday. The chief minister instructed to the official to the immediately release ex gratia of rupees 1 crore to each of the families of the deceased and rupees 10 lakh to each patient on ventilator. Then rupees 1 lakh each in either patient and rupees 25,000 to those who underwent treatment. So according to the health minister, and the government was immersed in the relief and rehabilitation process, including evacuation and rehabilitation on a war footing of 1500 villages in the vicinity of LG polymer plants. Soon after the news of the leaking was received, he said his 554 victims were shifted to hospital and 128 admitted persons have completely recovered. Then 305 patients, including 52 infants or child, are being treated at the hospital. There are 121 others who are being treated at private hospitals and are got out of danger. As of now, nobody was on ventilator support. The government would provide complete medical support to all of them. Next topic is what is styrene. Styrene is an flammable liquid that is used in the manufacturing of polystyrene plastics like fiberglass, rubber and latex. According to the Toxtown or according to the run by the US National Library of Medicine, styrene is also found in vehicle exhaust like cigarette smoke and in natural flood like fruits and vegetables. Next topic, what happened when exposed to styrene? It's one of happen to expose to styrene. As per the US based Environment Protection Agency is EPA in the short form, the substance can result is a respiratory problem. Some happens are before the leaking of the gas at 2 p.m. of the Thursday since 7th May 2020. So the respiratory problem symptoms are showing by the people is the first respiratory problem, second irritation in the eyes, third irritation in the mucous membrane and gastrointestinal issues. So gastrointestinal issues is one more big head, and long-term exposure could drastically after the central nervous system and lead to other related problems like peripheral neuropathy. So it could also lead to the cancer and depression in the some cases. However, EPA or Environmental Protection Agency notes that there are no sufficient evidence despite several epidemiology studies indicating there may be an association between the styrene exposure and an increased risk of leukemia and lymphoma cancer. Now we go for symptoms. So what are the symptoms? Symptoms include like headache, hearing loss, fatigue, weakness, difficulty in concentrating and etc. But animal studies, according to the EPA or Environmental Protection Agency, have reported effect on the CNS or central nervous system, liver, kidney and eye, and nasal irritation from inhalation exposure to styrene. Obviously through the inhalation the styrene are there. So how bad situation in Visakhapatnam? While it is unclear at the moment whether the death is due to the direct exposure to styrene gas or one of its the byproducts. So Visakhapatnam Police Commissioner has mentioned all this situation because non-poisonous and is only fatal when exposed for longer duration. But however, hundreds of people, including many children, were admitted to hospitals. The case are high as the gas leak was only detected at 3 a.m. in the morning. So morning several crucial hours have been lost till safety precautions were taken and the gas was allowed to spread while people were first asleep. Officially said that they immediately began making announcement over speakers, but many were feared to have already become unconscious as police had the break open doors to shift people. Next topic is what caused the leak. So the statement from the LG Polymer said that the stagnation and changes in the temperature inside in the storage tank where the stain is there could have resulted in autopolymerization. Obviously, he was told that the autopolymerization and could have the cause of the vaporization. So we are not investigating that the incident. Right now there is no leak as it is has been contained. We will observe the facility for another 4 hours and give an all clear after through inspections. So there was 1800 ton of string stored at the plant at the time of the leak. So out of which 60% are leaked there or till now. Next point is Vizag gas leak. Is it controlled or under control? Obviously, the leak has been plugged and NDRF, this is the National Defense of the Resources Force team, moved into the 5 affected villages and have started opening the houses to find out the anyone was stranded inside. So officially said that the COVID-19 is there today. So COVID-19 is there. So the COVID-19 is preparedness held as a lot of the dozens of the ambulance with oxygen cylinder and ventilator were rapidly available. The spread of the gas is depends on wind speed. So it's wind speeds. So far it is estimated that the within a 5-kilometer radius have been affected. So now the today's video is very important for the UPSC CSE for the essay writing as well. We go for the editorial today. So the strain gas is very important for the editorial part of the session. And you watching this video, so if you watching or like this video, please share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.